guys can see, we made it right back to the bando, man. Let's get into some of the items we ended up purchasing today. Now, we didn't get anything out the store, but we did end up ordering the package that came in. So let me show you guys this shirt right here. It is a part of the MLB Ralph Lauren collection. Now, like when you guys look this shirt up, this shirt is called a Ralph Lauren chamois. It is spelled C-H-A-M-O-I-S. I was thinking chamois, but after Googling and stuff, it is called chamois. So y'all, these are not my words, these are Google's. So this joint here was real tough, man. Especially with me liking the Yankees. This was hard, and I like all the whole MLB collection that Ralph Lauren put together, like with every team, honestly. And right here on the sleeve, you can see it says Ralph Lauren as well. Make sure you guys get this so y'all can see that. And what's so different about this, I thought it was a button up, but I guess the chamois it only buttons halfway. Like it stops like with right here. As you guys can see that right there. But it's nice though. So now I don't know which size. I grabbed a large just in case. So like I said, nothing on the back. Oh, right here, you got a Yankee emblem right here. You guys can see that Yankee emblem on the side. I can get the show for y'all. But yeah, I don't know which size. Like, I grabbed a large just in case. But I'm gonna try this on for you all so I can let you guys know what size to get. And as you guys can see, this is the try on. Y'all know one thing about me, whatever type of sweater or crew neck, button up, anything. I love my sleeves rolled up for some reason. And right here, definitely, because you can definitely see the Ralph Lauren logo right here. Now, what I would tell you guys, the size that go on this, you can go true to size. This is a large. I feel like if I'd have went up an extra large, I'd have had a lot of more room probably on these sides right here. So definitely you can go to true to size on this chamois. What is it? I think it's French. That's why it's spelled one way and it's pronounced another way, because it's French. And this is my first one buying from Ralph Lauren. Like I said, this is dope right here. Colorway definitely stands out. Y'all can see my arms. So you can go true to size on this joint right here. See the Ralph Lauren and the Yankee. You can see it better on my side right there. Of course, with the Yankees coming across the front of the shirt. That's probably like my favorite part, where it say Yankees across the front. I actually thought it was maybe like an old school jersey or something that they was trying to be vintage with, but it's not. So let's get into the sneakers we will be pairing up with this shirt. Now on to the sneakers. Most people know this emblem, some do, some don't. It is Kobe Bryant. You should know this emblem. That's Kobe Bryant's actual emblem, and these sneakers are the Kobe Air Force One low, the maroon colorway. One of my favorite, like, slept on colors in the world. White, well, no, not white, maroon, burgundy, period. And I like these right here because these is like definitely a whole kudos to him. As you can see the 33 right here on the back, that was his high school number. And with his emblem right here on the tongue and the front right here. And if you can see, it's definitely like a snake skin into the shoe. And that's way different. Extremely different. Air Force One's been going crazy on their sneakers lately. I don't know if they done got like somebody in there that's different, that's running the show, but they have been going dumb on their sneakers lately. So y'all stay tuned. I definitely got an Air Force One video coming, because it's like every Air Force One that's been dropping has been straight heat. I haven't seen not one Air Force One that sucked. And like, this is just one of the colorways. I think it was this one, a white and maroon colorway, and it may have been a white and green colorway. But these right here are hard, and I definitely got these to match up with this polo right here. So y'all, comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all copping this, or did y'all cop these Air Forces? Is this shirt right here something that you would put together with this? Or hey, who purchased it? Because I think they made another one besides the Yankees. I think I got another one like this in navy blue, and they may have some more teams as well. So y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about the fit. What else? Oh, yeah. As far as the next thing, if you want me to see me how I'm gonna put this whole outfit on, make sure you go over to my TikTok, that is Scotty Nino, where I put most of my outfits together. Slide over there, check that out for me. What else before I get out of here? Oh yeah, my Instagram. Y'all go ahead, subscribe to my Instagram. It is Scotty_Nino. Subscribe to that as well. And let's get us there, man. We're almost on our way to 10,000 subs, man. We're almost there. Y'all go ahead, help your boy get there. And I think that's about it, man. Until the next video, like I want to say thank y'all once again for tuning in. You know, subscribe and watching my videos, man. Beat that like button down so we can get this video out to whoever needs to see it. So once again, man, thank y'all, and I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl, just wanna